Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'm back with a new video. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a racing bar graph, which are quite popular on YouTube these days. But before we start the video guys, please make sure to subscribe the channel as we are only 70 subscribers away from the 2000 mark. And also follow me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Okay, now let's jump to the video. So first of all, open your browser. And then in the search bar type Flourish. And then press enter. Now scroll down and click on this link. I will also give the link to this website in the description below. Now click on get started for free. And after clicking on it, you will be required to create a new account for logging in, or you can also use your Gmail account to log in. I have already done that, so I will skip this part. Once you are signed in, you will be directed to this interface. Now click on this new visualization option. So here you will see thousands of template files which you can use, but we want the racing bar graph, so scroll down. And here is the bar chart race, so click on it. Okay, before moving forward, I want to share some information with you guys about this bar chart race. The creation of the racing bar graph itself is quite easy, but there are two problems that the users face while creating the graph. The number one problem is the data collection. For example, if you want to create a graph comparing the GDP of different countries of last 5 years from 2015 to 2020, then it will take 30 to 40 minutes for you to collect the data, because you will have to collect all the data manually. Now let's talk about the second problem. So the second problem that the users face is how to use the racing bar graph in their videos, because as you can see that there is no downloading option given on this website. So I will tell you the solution to this problem at the end, so do watch the full video. So these are the two problems that you will face while creating the graph. Okay, now let's jump back to the video. So on the right side of the screen, you will see a few options like bars, bar color, but we will discuss these later. Now click on this data option. And the first thing you will do is to delete the data that has already been put in. So for that, press Ctrl+A and then press the delete button. Once again, if you look on the right side of the screen, you will see some information about the data chart. For example, the column A is specified for names of the bar, column B is optional, and in column C you can add the image URL, and in the remaining columns you can write the values. Now I will explain this to you with the help of an example. So I want to compare the GDP of 10 countries. First of all, I'll write the name of countries in column A. Okay, I have written the country's name in column A. Now as I told you that column B is optional, so I'll leave it empty. And for now, I'll also leave the column C empty as well. Let's suppose that we are comparing the GDP from 2015 to 2020. So I'll write the years here. Now it's time to write the GDP. So let's suppose the GDP of China in 2015 was 7 21212. These are just random figures. So in 2016 it was, let's suppose, 731456. And just like this, write down the GDP of each country in different years. After you are done with the data, you will see a preview of your chart on the right side of the screen. But the problem with this chart is that all the bars are of same color and it simply doesn't look good. So what I want to do is to add the flag of each country on their respective bars. So for that, open a new tab. I want the Chinese flag, so in the search bar type Chinese flag. Now click on images and then open this first image. Right click on this image, then click on copy image address. Now paste this image address in column C and then press enter. And as you can see that the Chinese flag is now appearing on its bar. And just like this, you can also add the flag of different countries on the bar. Okay, now we are done with the data, so click on preview. And as you can see that our graph is ready. But there are few changes that I want to make. Like I want each bar to have different colors. So for that, click on bar colors and then set the color mode to by bar. And as you can see that now each bar has a different color. And by using these options, you can make a lot of changes to your graph. Like you can change the font size, you can also change the font colors, the spacing between the bars and things like that. Okay guys, now I think I should put a full stop to this video, but at the end, as I promised, I'll tell you how to use this graph in your videos. So the one and only method is to use a screen recorder. You will be required to use a screen recorder which allows you to record a specific portion of the screen. And if you don't have such type of a screen recorder, then you can also use a simple screen recorder and record the whole screen, and then you can edit it in your video editing software. I'll personally suggest you to use Bandicam. It's a great screen recording software and you can also use that to record specific portion of the screen. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys like the video, then please make sure to subscribe the channel and smash that like button. I'll keep a like aim of 20 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.